Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about a very important topic. How to change your life by believing in yourself. Many people feel sad. Many people feel tired. Many people think their life cannot change. But this is not true. You can change your life. You can become better. You can become stronger. The first step is to believe in yourself. Let's start. What does believe in yourself mean? To believe in yourself means you trust yourself, you respect yourself, you think you can do something good. It means you say, I can learn. I can try. I can improve. Believing in yourself does not mean you are perfect. It means you make mistakes, you fall down, but you stand up again. Say with me, I believe in myself. Why people don't believe in themselves? Many people do not believe in themselves. Why? Because of fear. They are afraid to fail. They are afraid of problems because of the past. They remember old mistakes. They feel sad about yesterday because of negative people. Some people say, you can't do it. You are not good. You will fail. When you listen to these words, your heart becomes weak. But remember, your past does not control your future. Change your thinking. Your life changes when your thinking changes. Bad thinking. I am weak. I can't do anything. My life is finished. Good thinking. I am learning. I am growing. I will try again. Every morning say, I believe in myself. I can change my life. Today is a new day. Your mind is very powerful. If you think good, your life becomes good. Set small goals. Do not say, I will change my whole life today. Say, today I will wake up early. Today I will study 10 minutes. Today I will drink more water. Today I will walk 10 minutes. Small goals are easy. Small goals make you happy. When you finish small goals, you feel strong. Small steps make big change. Learning changes your life. You can learn. English, new skills, new ideas, new habits. You can learn from books, YouTube, teachers, live. Never say, I am too old to learn. Say, I learn every day. Learning makes your brain strong. Learning gives you hope. Do not fear failure. Failure is not bad. Failure is a teacher. When you fail, you learn what is wrong, what is right, what to do next time. All successful people failed many times. If you fail, stand up. Try again. Do not stop. Say, I failed, but I will try again. Take action. Believing in good, but action is better. Action means study, practice, work, try. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for next year. Start today. Start now. Start small. One step today is better than no step. Love yourself. You are important. Your life is important. Do not hate yourself. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different life. Everyone has a different time. Love yourself. Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself. You are learning. You are growing. Easy daily sentences. Repeat these sentences every day. I believe in myself. I can change my life. I'm strong. I'm learning every day. I will not give up. My future is bright. I can do this. I am proud of myself. These sentences give you power. Dear friends, if your life is hard, do not lose hope. You are not alone. Many people feel the same, but you are here today. You are listening. You are learning. This means you are strong. Do not stop. Do not quit. Do not give up. Your future can be better. Your life can change. believe in yourself. To change your life, believe in yourself. Think positive. Set small goals. Learn every day. Do not fear failure. Take action. Love yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Write in the comments, I believe in myself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.